In this video, I'm going to reveal what I've been working on tirelessly for the past 2 months. I'm ready to reveal it to the world, and I think it's something that's going to help you start making money online. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbold, and I like to create content to help you make money with affiliate marketing. And so what I've done is I've actually put together, if you take a look at my screen here, it's called the 7-Day Unemployee Challenge. Now, this is a step-by-step guide to start making money with affiliate marketing. This isn't something that's going to lead to more upsells and high ticket offers on the back end. This is a step-by-step guide that is designed to take you from zero knowledge in affiliate marketing to start making passive income with examples. Now, if we take a look at this, there's over 85 videos of varying length. Now, let's talk a little bit about what is included in this program. First, in addition to the videos where you learn about affiliate marketing step by step, I've also included homework assignments and handouts. Now, before you get turned off when it comes to homework assignments, they're not homework assignments in the sense that you have to do them or you're going to get a grade and you're going to fail the class. These are assignments that are designed to help you build your business. For example, the first homework assignment, and they're really should be called business builder assignments. The first one is basically walking you through the process of picking a niche. You're going to list a few niches that you're interested in. You're going to do research. Now, everything included in these trainings, again, there's about 85 videos. They're designed to help you start making passive income with affiliate marketing. I've taken all of my knowledge, everything that I've learned in the 5 or so years that I've been doing affiliate marketing, I packaged it up and I put it into this course. Each day you're going to go through one aspect of affiliate marketing. For example, day 1, you're simply going to pick a niche. Day 2, you're going to select affiliate programs, plural, so multiple affiliate programs. And in this day 2, I explain why you're going to do that. Day 3, we talk about email marketing. And in fact, I include some templates to help you get up and running. And that's the other thing with this training, the 7-day training. You're actually going to get handouts to help you build your business. You're not just going to be cast aside and say, good luck, go figure it out. On day 4, we talk about platforms. There's primary platforms and secondary platforms. I'm sure if you've followed me for long enough, you have heard me talk about these 2 different platforms. I go in depth and I talk about how you should use them. As you can see here, tons of information, tons of homework. Not tons of homework. There's homework for you to really grow your business. So by the end of this, by the 7th or 8th day, however long you take it, you are going to have a bunch of handouts. You're going to have a bunch of resources that are designed to help you grow your business. Now, the reason why I created this, there's a few reasons, but one of the reasons why I created this is people often will take a course and then they'll say, then what? What do I do now? Or they've taken the course and by day 7, they forgot what was covered in day 1. And so the handouts, the homework assignments are designed to help you along the way so that by day 7, day 8, you can start creating content and potentially start giving yourself opportunities for success. Oh, and by the way, if you complete and submit all of your homework assignments, there is a bonus in which I cover under bonus content. But as you can see, if I just quickly run through this, we do a welcome and overview on day 0 or day 1. We talk about mindset and tips. Day 1, we go through the official start of the challenge. We select a niche. Day 2, we select affiliate programs. Day 3, we cover email marketing. Day 4, we select platforms. Day 5, we cover keyword research. So how to figure out what your customers are asking. Day 6 is when we create content. Now, this is interesting in my opinion with day 6. Most people will tell you to go out and create content, but they don't tell you how to start creating content. And this is another reason why I created this course, is an opportunity, is an attempt to make sure that all of your questions are answered. And then day 7, we talk about analytics. Now, there are 2 types of analytics out there. There's not important analytics. So analytics that are more vanity metrics. People feel like they should be important, but they're really not. And then we actually cover what is important. And then on the last day, on day 7, you will get access to the bonus content and the congratulations and an actual bonus if you submit all of the homework assignments. Now, what you'll see is a link in the description. It will take you here. If you scroll up, this is talking about what the course is. It's a 7-day challenge. The goal, once again, is to take you from zero, no knowledge, to actually having some knowledge and potential short-term early success with affiliate marketing. It's priced at $7 right now. I don't foresee this going up. This is designed to help you. Now, let's talk a little bit about the sales funnel, because there's always some sort of sales funnel. You will see this and you'll click instant access. You will buy for $7. There are order bumps. There's, I think, 2 order bumps that you can purchase to help you grow your business. One is for traffic, unlimited traffic. The other one is a YouTube masterclass. If you elect to buy them, obviously it's going to cost more than $7. On the next page, you will see an opportunity to work with me one-on-one for coaching. The coaching, once again, is affordably priced. I think you get a 1-hour coaching session as an opportunity to grow your business. In most cases, people will elect for the coaching simply because they have questions that they can't get answered anywhere else. And, they're maybe more targeted to their niche or their target audience. But that's it. You won't see a high ticket offer on day 4. You won't see really anything else. This is an opportunity to help you make money. Now, I do have other courses that you can purchase, but this is a standalone course. You can purchase this course and be ready to go, ready to start making passive income with affiliate marketing. Now, will I guarantee you that you'll make $1,000 your first day? No, simply because I don't know your work ethic. I don't know how much effort you're going to put into it in general. Are you going to do half the work? Are you going to let this wash over you? Or are you going to take action and implement the things that are discussed in this course? So I want to invite you to take a look at the 7-day Unemployee Challenge. Watch this video, enroll in the course. Like I said, it's $7. I can spend more than that on a coffee over at a coffee shop. Enroll in the course. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. In the event, for some reason, this course doesn't meet or exceed your expectations, you can ask for a full refund of just the $7. But go ahead, take a look at this. This is designed for you to help you be successful. This could have been priced at, maybe $400 or whatever, but the purpose of this isn't to just take from you. It's in fact to give in a efficient manner. So that's all for this video. I want you to take a look at this, consider this, and implement the things that are covered in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I have for you for today. Click the first link in the description to enroll in this course today.